Hello friends, welcome back again. In my last lecture I have shown you how to get a username on TryStack and how to log in to TryStack. So hopefully by this time you have got your login and you have got the username and you have been you have been allowed to use TryStack. So let's go ahead and see how to use it now. Okay, go and open again with TryStack and go and log in here. Hopefully you have been given access. Log in with Facebook. Okay. Now here we have seen multiple components: compute, network, object store, database, and identity, right? So first thing first, if you go to the networking, okay, go to the network topology. Here you see that there is a public network already available to you. That means you have public network access. Okay. Now what we need to do is we have to create our own network. Okay, let's go ahead and create a network. First thing, click on the network, create a network, go here and create a network. Let's name it my network, and admin state is up. Go to next. Create a subnet. What is the subnet name? Let it be my subnet. And what is the address? Let it be 192.168.1.0/24. 24 is the net mask. Okay, so that is 255.255.255.0. and let me give the gateway IP, that is 192.168.1.1. okay, now go to next, and here give the allocation pools. That is okay. I'll that means I'll give a I'll reserve a pool of IP addresses for my use. That is 192.168.1. Let it be 2, comma 192.168.1 dot, just let it be 20. I want to use some 18 or 22. Let it be 20 IP addresses. And what is the DNS name? Let it be the public DNS name, like 8.8.8.8. This is the Google DNS server, and this is what I have given, and enable DHCP and create. Hopefully it will be created. Yes, success. So you see that my network is created, and on that inside network you see that my subnet is created with network address as 192.168.1.0. so now go and see the network topology, how it looks. Okay, go to the normal. You see that I have a public network, I have a private network now, that is my network, and now I have to connect these two. Now I can create a virtual machine and I can connect my virtual machine to my network, but it cannot talk to this public network. For that I need to create a router. So go and click router and create a router. Give a name, my router. Okay, my router. Op, admin state, and external network. You have to select it, and just select the public and create a router. You see that my router is created. Go ahead and see how the topology looks like. now you see that I have created my router, which is now connected to the public. If you remember, I selected the public, right? So I have created a router, and now I have created and connected that router to the public network. Now what I have to do is I have to create an interface in my router which can connect to my network, right? So go ahead and click my router and go to view router details. Otherwise you can go also this way, routers, and go to routers and then click my router, then go to interface and click add interface. Okay, now select the subnet which you want to connect to. I have already my subnet. Select that and give the router a internal IP address, that is 192.168.1. let it be 1. Okay, so this is my IP address for the router in my private network. Okay, add interface. Now it is added, and go ahead and again see the topology, how it looks like. You see now I have my public network, I have the router, and that is now connecting to my network, that is my private network. This is my network is my private network. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and create a VM which will connect to my network, and ultimately if I will connect my VM to my network, that is through the router, it will connect to the public network, right? With this, let's go and another thing, now go to the compute. Here, before really creating instance, you have to take care of some of the security aspect of it. So we'll do that in my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.